I will decorate the Christmas tree.
You will decorate the Christmas tree?
Yes.
I'm not sure.
No?
Choose a number.
My favorite number is 3.
1, 2, 3. Now, choose a number between 8, 3, 4 and 7.
Well, my favorite number is 3, so 3.
Okay, 3. So, on Christmas you will bake cookies.
Ooh, that's good too.
Yeah, that's good too, that's good.
I
What
will
about you,
bake
Alex?
cookies.
Yeah. Choose a number.
5.
5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 8, 3, 4 or 7.
8.
8. Ooh, 8. Wait, I'm not sure. You will go to a Christmas parade.
Oh.
Can you repeat? I will go to a Christmas parade.
I will go to a Christmas parade.
Okay, are you happy?
Yes, I am.
Are you happy with baking cookies?
Well, I want to go to the parade too.
You can't. You will bake cookies. You can't. Okay, let's make paper fortune tellers together. Everybody has their piece of paper? Yes? Okay. First, you want to fold a corner.
Fold a corner. Okay.
Like this, okay? Fold. Okay. Now, you fold again.
Fold again.
Yeah, fold again. You say fold again.
Fold again.
Fold again.
Aha.
2 folds.
It looks like a house. A house. A house.
A house.
Oh, a hat. Okay, now let's cut this part. And it's cut. Now, it's not a house anymore. It's a triangle.
Or
You can say triangle.
Triangle.
Yeah, it's a triangle. And now, let's open it. Aha!
Open.
Is it a triangle?
No.
No,
No.
it's a
Square.
square. A square. Excellent. Now, let's fold a corner in the center. Also. Okay? And let's repeat the process for all the corners. Okay, all the corners in the center, yes? Let's flip it.
Okay.
On this side, same thing. Corner to the center. Corner in the center. Okay, so we have this. We are almost finished. The goal here will be, we've got our corners. If we flip, we've got some openings. The goal is to put your fingers through it and fold in the middle. It's a bit tricky, but okay. You fold in half also. Okay. I'm getting there.
Hey.
Yes, okay, here we go. Oh, Heather's.
This is what not to do.
So, imagine you have a kid that's struggling, like Heather. I don't know. So,
Wait,
really,
put my
yes,
fingers
put
here?
4 fingers here.
4.
Yeah, 4. And try to push in the middle.
Push in the middle.
Yeah, there we go. You push in the middle. And this one will, at some point, oops.
Up.
It did kind of get ruined. That's fine. I guess we won't use your example.
I think I'll bake cookies.
Yeah, this is big cookies. Okay, so we've got 2 functional ones, you know. One that's different, but it does not mean that this one is less of a paper fortune teller. Okay, we still love it. We do love it. Now, what we're gonna do is, so inside you can write numbers or draw some things. It will indicate what kids will choose. So I choose the bear, I choose the lion, etc. And inside there will be a prediction for them, what will happen to them. So it's a good game to use when you want to teach the future using will, using predictions. Okay? Thanks a lot. Bye.
Bye.